Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. Spring has sprung and it is May, and this is the card kit for May 2020. Some really cute designs here. This is the Dino Roar, and I think that's the basket weaved embossing folder. This is Bonanza Buddies, and that's the Parisian Flourish embossing folder. And this is the Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper from Celebration. I used the back side, and I actually used my watercolor pencils and my blender pen here to color them. And of course, they are in the retiring colors. So the last big bang of retiring colors, that is Pineapple Punch, Grapefruit Grove, Blueberry Bushel, and I use the flourishing phrases for these cards. So you know how my kits work. You are certainly welcome to use whatever stamp set you have and that would suit. So here is, this was another celebration. I can't remember what it was called. But anyway, it's pretty, has roses on it, and it's like a specialty designer series paper. And it was gorgeous, and I hoarded it, and now I have too much. Isn't that the truth? So I'm using it because I know that more beautiful stuff is coming in a month or so. Well, because I'm a demonstrator, I actually get to order stuff out of the new catalog in a couple of days. This is the bonus and about being a demonstrator. So you can see how I'm putting together the card. This little strip here gets wrapped around the Whisper White insert piece, and I used the Retiring Leaves embossing folder for this one. This happens to be one of my favorite embossing folders. I may not sell it on my retiring list. I have a few select products that I actually don't sell, like Lovely as a Tree is one of them. I'll never get rid of that stamp set. But I don't have that very many. I just don't have the room to hold on to all of my stamp sets. So I do resell them, rehome them. This is how you put the kit together. It is simple. So stamping with StazOn ink for my sentiment, and I will be adding just a little bit of dry adhesive to that little strip. And it will stay closed if you were to put some embellishments, or if you just score it really, really well, or like burnish it with your bone folder really, really well. And I made sure that everybody in their kit got one of these foiled flowers, and then I just mixed it up, so who knows what other design you're going to get. Thank you for shopping with me this month. I really appreciate your business, and I hope you are faring well during self-isolation. And look in your mailbox for this lovely kit, because it's coming straight to you. Thanks so much. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.